Welcome, today I am with Huawei MateBook D15 and I will show you how we can change output speaker. So we got two methods. The first one, we have to tap right here on the speaker icon, and when you are connected with a second speaker, for example wireless via Bluetooth or with your jack 3.5mm cable, you will be able to click here and then just select this external speaker. I'm not connected with any speaker, so there's only this internal speaker from that laptop, but if you are connected, you will be able to choose right here. It's very simple. And the same thing we can make by going to the settings, system, sound, and then we'll be able to pick the second output device from our list. And here we can adjust volume level of our speaker. So as you can see, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.